What's going on? What's going on? All right, all right. Well, welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be trading crypto here. We're doing live trading, but I just wanted to say, like, when you get started with stuff like this and you're embarking on something new, you gotta, you gotta give yourself a chance to really, get some growth and see yourself growing and then being able to slowly but surely get better and better at it. This is one of this time right here is no different. I've been watching the market. I've been trading Ethereum for a couple days now, and normally I don't trade crypto as much as I used to, but I wanted to get back into it because now I got more tools. I got more knowledge of price action and stuff like that. So I've been thinking about getting into it. I actually have more time on my hands. My other companies have slowed down tremendously, so I'm not making nearly as much money with those as I used to. So it's to the point now where I want to trade full time with crypto. So that's basically what we're doing here, guys. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, I talk about crypto, stocks, and options mostly. So we're gonna see. Right now, I'm using 5-minute chart. I got Ethereum. I got my Bollinger Bands. I got my simple moving average in the middle here, and I got my candlesticks going every which way. So just showing you my setup, my trading setup, and this is pretty much the 5-minute chart on the ETH USD. So, and this is the Trading View app in case you guys were wondering. Alright, so what I do here is I'm trying to buy near the Bollinger Band lines and sell near them once I pass the simple moving average. This updates every 5 minutes or so. Like now is actually a time I would buy. I'm gonna try to ride it back up to here. But this would get me $3. So like, just as an example, if I bought down here at 414.40, just say 414, and sold at the top of this at 419 or 418, that's $4. I'm like, what? It's not a money. But if you got 10 Ethereum, then that's $40. So it'd have been $40 from here to here, and that's 2 hours of waiting. It took 2 hours to do that. So from here to here in 2 hours, I made $40. So it's $20 an hour. That's crazy trade, but I don't mind doing it that way. So let me show you. I'm using also the Coinbase Pro app, and we got the ETH. So I'm gonna be using this a lot, but this is basically the same thing. 5-minute chart, so I can also see in the same spot where I would be. So I'm actually gonna buy around here. I actually bought around there already, I believe. So let's go and look and see. So we got, yeah, we got it. We're already sitting on the ETH that we had from a while because I was accumulating some coins in my portfolio. I just want to start building this up, and so actually should be more in there. There it is. Okay, so I got that, and I'm gonna deposit some more. Let me see. I think I got some more of this in my other account. Yeah. So I'm gonna put all of that in here. Okay. Okay, so here's where we are. Now I put most of it sitting in Orchid because the Orchid OXT chart, it's down here, and I'm hoping for a run up again. Seems like the selling has slowed down, so I could do something like in here. I could go look that up. OXT USD, and yeah, so you could kind of go from there. Now she's kind of bearish, it's just going down, but like I said, I bought it around here because I don't think she's gonna go too much further down. We've been in the same range, kind of like support, finding support around this 49 range, and we've been down here before, if you see here on this chart. So since we've been this far down before, I figured we usually get around this range and then we'll be on our way back up. Even right here, we got the support here. So this seems like a really big support the last couple days. And we can test it and then it just goes back up. So if we can get a run up to 57, 59 around this range to get back up to this this resistance, I'm going to be selling her around that range or around 56. So I'm just trying to see if we can break out of this little channel and go up higher, and then we'll be good. Anyway, that's what I'm doing, guys. Hope you like the video. I'm going to make more videos like this. I'm going to be doing some live trading videos where I trade, and then you guys can see I'm making some extra money on the side. Didn't put that much in there, and just, you know, this will go into mostly into Ethereum when I'm done with the orchid trade. So the orchid trade, so I'll put it back in there. The half is an orchid, the other half is an ether, and we're just trying to get this rise back up to 59. We'll make, you know, a decent percentage, and then we'll be good to go. Dump that money back in here. But I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.